Hey guys, this is Julian from JVH-Comix. I know I said I'd go back to regular videos when I got back, but it's been kind of a crazy week. I got really sunburnt and I've just been kind of sleeping on and off, trying to heal the sunburn. So this video is just going to be a quick little something, but I wanted to introduce you to my little art studio right here. This is my bedroom right here. This is my bed. But I had this desk and I thought this would be a neat place to do art. And that's something I wanted to try to get you guys to have, whether you're doing comics, art, or really anything creative. You'll want to have a space dedicated to that creative thing. I mean, a lot of people say if you have trouble sleeping at night, make sure not to do anything else in your bed but sleep. And it's kind of the same thing with creativity and with art. Make sure you have a place where you do nothing but your craft. And so today I'm going to work a little bit on my comic. Maybe I might record some video of that. But this is my little desk, and this is what I'm going to be working on. And this is going to help me for when I get back to BYU, because I'm going into a illustration degree now. So I need all the help I can get when it comes to working productively, because I am a lazy piece of garbage. So yeah, I know this isn't a very long video, but if you guys can find a small desk, a small area, I know there's people online who say buy little flip-up desks and you can stick them in your living room or your family room and just flip them on the wall when you're not done with it. Or take a sheet and hang it around the area so it doesn't look messy or it doesn't look out of place in your home. But try to find a small spot, or a spot anywhere, where you can work on your creative stuff alone, with no one to bug you, and free of distractions. Anyway, keep up the good work on all the things that you guys do. Make sure to subscribe if you like this channel, and please let me know if you want to see any content in the future. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.